Namaste, hi, how are you? Well, what is this, friends? This is a writing pen, a simple ball pen. In fact, the price of this pen is only rupees 5, Indian rupees 5. What is the topic of our YouTube video today? When you all go out of the house for any work, do you always keep a pen ready with you, either in your pocket or in your bag, or if you are a lady or a woman or a girl, in your purse? Do you keep a pen handy and ready with you? Now you must be wondering, what is this topic? Is it worth listening? I'll tell you, why did this thought come to my mind in the first place? I happen to go to the bank quite often, sometimes to the post office, sometimes to pay the electricity bill. Especially in banks, I've seen there are a lot of people who don't carry along a pen, and they tend to borrow pen from a number of other people. What happens is, many times I have seen, either I am filling up the withdrawal slip to withdraw cash, or a deposit slip to deposit a check or a cash, and suddenly somebody comes in and he's just waiting, please give me a pen, please can I borrow your pen? What happens is, I do fill up the slip and I give him the pen. Well, we have to need to have a big heart and of course lend our pen to such people. These people can be educated, they may be uneducated, they could be middle class, they could be rich, they could be poor, they could also be from any age group, right from the age group of 18, 20 years to 30, 40, 60, 70 years, even senior citizens. So all these people don't carry along a pen. Now coming back to the point, what happens is, when we finish filling up the form, we give the pen to this person and we go to either withdraw the cash or go to the other counter, and this person just walks off carrying the pen along in his pocket. I am not saying he does it purposely. There could be one person in 1,000 men who may be even stealing a pen, but most people don't do it intentionally. It's just a matter of habit to keep the pen in your pocket and just walk off. After that, what happens is, we face great amounts of problems without a pen. We may have to go to the store, the stationery shop again, and buy a pen, or again go home and carry another pen along. Now generally what I do is, to such people I also give them a gentle advice, which is obviously given very politely. I say, my dear brother, dear friend, uncle, ya beta, son, your daughter, why don't you carry along a pen with you, at least when you know that you are going to go to the bank. So you should always carry a pen along with you. Some people just politely listen it, some people appreciate, and there are some people who may not appreciate what we tell, and they will frankly or very rudely tell you on your face, if you don't want to give your pen, we are not bothered, but don't teach us unnecessarily. And be very careful, if he's a toughy sort of guy, he may end up bashing you also. Fine, but what I believe is, at least I have given him the message, him or her, the message very politely, that they should carry along the pen. So next time when they are going to the bank, either in their home, they may be reminded of carrying along a pen, or once they reach the bank and think of borrowing it from someone, at least they may be reminded of me or any other person who has told them about carrying along a pen. So friends, whenever you move out of your house, just like you always carry a watch or a wallet wherein you keep money, you should always carry a pen, because you never know where you may need it. You may have to sign somewhere, you may wish to note down something. Yes, nowadays there are a lot of smartphones and electronic diaries, pocket diaries, wherein you can directly electronically note it down in soft copy format, but you may still have to sign somewhere. So you should always keep a pen in your pocket, and it's not a very costly thing, mind me. So thank you. Namaskar.